I miss you all, and I hope that at some point we can be back at the Learning Center having fun, but we do get to have a great time today, and you get to join me in my kitchen. I actually have a special guest today, so if you could welcome my special guest. Some of you might know her. This is Miss Alex, my daughter, and she's my assistant today. I'm so lucky that she's my assistant. We are going to put together a really fun, easy recipe. This is one that you might be able to eat, do with the help of a parent or your adult at home, or maybe a brother or sister or sibling, or do it by yourself and make it for somebody else. I think it can be really fun. First thing first, we need to talk about kitchen safety. Right, Alex? Okay, so make sure that you have permission from a parent before you start any cooking activity. So make sure that your counter is clean. We've already wiped our counter down with soap and water. What do we need to do next, Miss Alex? Wash our hands. So let's head on over to the sink. We are going to wash our hands. Go ahead. And after she gets her hands washed, I've already washed mine, we are going to get started on our sushi roll-up. First things first, we're going to make a PB&J sushi roll-up, and Alex is going to start by putting a little bit of peanut butter all over a tortilla. Now you can use just any tortilla you have. You can use whole wheat tortilla. You can even use a piece of bread, a piece of whole wheat bread if you have that. So she's just going to put a little bit and spread it around on our tortilla. And then she's going to spread it out with a butter knife. Always make sure if you need to cut something that you use a knife that your adult has approved for use, or you might need their help. It's okay to ask for their help as well. Just gonna spread that to the edges. Now we are using, let's see here a minute, an all-natural peanut butter. You can use whatever works for you. We're also using strawberry preserves today, which you can use grape, peach, whatever works for you. All right. Just a little bit more? Okay. Okay, that's probably good. This natural kind of peanut butter is a little bit messier, but it's still good. All right, you ready for a little bit of strawberry preserves? Okay. I'll help you with the strawberry preserves. And if you want to spread that out a little bit, you can. You don't have to add too much jelly or preserves, just a little bit. Spread that around. A little more. Okay, fantastic. Are you ready to roll? Okay, so roll it up. So now we're going to roll it up. This is where we get our sushi roll. Peanut butter and jelly roll up. I'm going to help her with this part. And we are going to, that part didn't want to work very well.
Nope.
We are going to cut this into pieces. Would you like to set them on our tray after I cut them up? We're going to put them on a fancy tray because everything looks better on a fancy tray. So here we go. Put them up and down like this. Then we can put a strawberry in them. We're going to put a little strawberry in them to make them fancy today. Okay. I'm going to cut a few more. Would you like to put the strawberry in this one? So, go ahead and place it. Maybe put that piece down. Okay, we're gonna do another one. And we're gonna do this until we run out of strawberries. I think we have enough for a couple more, right? okay. It's a wonky one. All right. So we're gonna show you what we made here. I'm gonna bring it around so that you can see. Everything looks awesome on a mini dish. All right, so this is our peanut butter and strawberry jelly roll up. Fancy strawberry on top. And we'll be back in just a minute to do our ham and cheese roll-ups. Okay, we are back and we are ready to do the ham and cheese sushi roll-up. So again, Alex is going to put a tortilla out on our clean board here. And then next, she's going to add some ham. And we are also going to add a piece of cheese. And that can be any kind of cheese that you like. It could be turkey instead of ham or roast beef. Whatever you have is fantastic. Now, in order for the sushi roll-up to not come apart, like some of our others did, which is okay, we are going to put some cream cheese spread. Just really a light cream cheese or a low-fat cream cheese right at the end. Just at the end. Yeah. All right. And just kind of around the edges so that everything sort of sticks. Got it around some? Yeah, a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay, can you place that back in? Are you ready for the roll-up? Okay. Ready? I'll start it. You roll it up. Yes. I think so. Okay, so now, just like we did before, we're going to do our sushi roll-ups. And then this time, even though Alex doesn't like pickles, I do. So we're going to do that as a garnish instead. Here we go. Okay, would you like to put those on the plate? Now, if you don't like these, you don't have to. But what we're gonna do is just place them kind of on top to look kind of nice there. Adds a little bit of flavor. If you don't have to use it. All right, so that's it. So again, I'm gonna show you what we made. You can either do the peanut butter and jelly sushi roll-ups, or you can do the ham and cheese, or you can do both and have maybe lunch and maybe have a dessert. So that would be kind of nice. You could make this for your family or your adult at home. They would just probably really like it. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to come around actually and show you exactly what this looks like. All right. Okay, so that's all for today, students, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. We'll be back in our kitchen. We might even have another kitchen that we're going to be in, and so we're going to have fun tomorrow with some more great recipes. So until then, we'll see ya. We'll see you in the next video.